Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and thank you for joining. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I want to talk to you about what is obviously the most challenging parts of the Tesla operation. 3 parts that are really challenging. One is more global. The other 2 is really personal, and they are too common to happen, and it's really a concern. It's a big concern, and as long as I didn't have to deal with it, I never thought about it. But once that you deal with it, it's an issue. So let's get started. First of all, production. Okay, if Tesla is not going to hit its production and sales growth and sales for this year, which is 500,000, it's not because they don't have demand. They have plenty of demand. Elon Musk talks about it during the last call. There is no demand issue. Supply lines, materials, especially for the battery, nickel and all that, and securing routes. Now, we give everybody a break this year because of the pandemic, but even without it, it's the wait time for new Tesla cars. I just saw the other day on Tesla Model 3 is 5 to 9 weeks. So you know, it's not something that Tesla wants to happen. They have plenty of work to do, but it's still an issue. So that's on a global. It doesn't affect you people, you and me, day to day. But if you order one and you expect to wait for a long time, the second one is really unacceptable. So is the third one, by the way. Second one is fit and finish quality control issues. I mean, I just got my Tesla Model Y not too long ago, less than a month, and there are gaps and water condensation in the tail light in the back. Tesla Ranger is coming to my house in a couple of weeks to fix it up. This is an issue that they used to deal with the first Tesla Model S in 2012. So it's not like Tesla started making cars yesterday. It's a big issue. Paint issue, gaps issues, door latches, flimsy visor, all kinds of things that panels that are really, I mean, give me a break. The first year you get a break, not in year 8 or 9 that you're making cars. Now, these are not cheap cars. These are not cheap cars. These are expensive cars, however you look at it. Now, the technology, the ride, the acceleration, the autopilot, it's fantastic. No, nobody does what they do. Nobody. It's fantastic cars. But these things are just unacceptable. Number 3, this hits me, and I'm feeling it as we speak, is parts and service. Now, I took my Tesla Model 3 I'm driving now to Tesla service centers many times. You know, change tires. There was nothing that was wrong with it. Stuff that I need to change tires, tire rotation, alignment. I need to change a cabin filter. You know, once you made the appointment, you're done, and they were nice, and they gave me a car. No big deal once you get there. Once you get to big things, so as you know, I have a continuous saga about my smashed windshield, front windshield. By the time I'll get, this is now 3rd appointment, 2 postponements already. And I will not be surprised if my 3rd appointment will be postponed as well. There's no windshield part. If I'll get my next appointment, which is middle of August, it will be a month and a half for a windshield. I mean, Tesla makes cars. They make a lot of cars. Now, I'm just one story. I've heard stories like this from here to Shanghai, China, about panels and parts that need to be made to fix dents and things like this. I mean, you wait a long time. I mean, I owned cars for 40 years. It's not like I start driving yesterday. This is unheard of in any other car manufacturers. Okay, so again, if it was 8 years ago, you give them a break. It has to be remedied. Parts and service has to be fixed. You cannot expect people to wait that long. This is just I don't know how to do it. I'm not giving any suggestions of how to do it. Some of my viewers once said, you know, they focus on production and delivery, so they take all the parts for that. Well, I don't know if it's true, but a windshield, what the heck? What am I asking for? Split the atom. So these three issues: the manufacturing, delivery, the the quality control, fit and finish, that is totally unacceptable. And parts and service, I don't want to say it's going to bring Tesla down. Tesla is awesome. Tesla is amazing. And I'm doing it because I love Tesla and I support Tesla. I own 2 Teslas. It's just unacceptable. It has to be fixed. Has to be. So if you are a Tesla owner and you encounter things like this, please share the comments below. Appreciate your time. See you tomorrow. It's Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for watching. Really, really appreciate it. You can support this channel by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, a like, so more people can see these videos. You can become a patron and support this channel. I need your support. You can buy merchandise, swag, the Electric Israeli swag. Follow me on social media. Use the links below to purchase things that are my favorite, that I buy myself. And that's the way you can help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.